Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make one of my favorite sweet, Doodhi Halwa or Lauki Halwa or Bottle Gourd Halwa in Hamari style. It's a very simple recipe and I'm sure you are going to make it after watching this video. So let's start. Here we have taken grated doodhi or lauki. You can see it's all in uniform size. Now we are going to fry this in a ghee. So take ghee in a pan. Once the ghee melted nicely, add grated doodhi or lauki. Fry it nicely. Wow, I can feel that ghee smell. It's really awesome. Fry it nicely for 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. Now add sugar as per sweetness you required. Here we added 5 to 6 teaspoons of sugar. Mix it and fry it until sugar melts nicely. It is easily available in all supermarkets and milk shops. Mix it nicely. Now we are going to cover this with a lid. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open it. You can see it is nicely cooked. Mash it and mix it nicely. Now add 2 cups of milk. Mix it well. Cover with a lid. Let it cook for another 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame. Now open it. You can see it is ready. It looks so awesome. Now take it in a bowl. And garnish with some cashew and almonds. Wow! I can't wait. I'm eating right now. If you also feel like to eat, try it now and tell us your feedback in comments. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.